What is going on, everyone, from the Crypto News channel? I'm your host, Crypto RJ, and today we're going to be talking about the 5 dog coins or Doge related coins that I think are going to absolutely melt faces this month because of a couple reasons. Now, the first reason being, guys, we are about to have Doge Day, okay? Now, for those that don't know, Doge Day is the day of the Doge on 420, also known as the day where everyone gets absolutely fried out of their minds. Now, another thing is it also, April is also the month of the Bitcoin halving, right? So, in theory, we should have another case of buy the rumor, sell the news. So we already know that this stuff is happening, and I do think that we are going to have a lot of hype and a lot of a pretty big rally leading up to April 20th. Now, my prediction is when the first week and maybe 10 days of April, we are going to see insane movement in all the dog related coins. I believe on actual April 20th, we will most likely see a bit of a dump, give or take sometime around that day. Now, let's take a look at these dog coins because there's a lot of them. Now, I want to show you guys this article first off. So we can see Dogecoin hits 14-month highs as strong fundamentals in April have Dogecoin fans hoping for even higher prices. So April 20th, designated as Doge Day, is expected to pump up Dogecoin. Now, guys, whenever there's an IPO in stocks or like a pump that's supposed to happen in crypto, usually the pump happens before the actual day. Now, we saw this especially with Elon Musk a couple years ago when he was on SNL and he was supposed to pump Dogecoin. Now, on the actual day of SNL, that shit literally tanked. Okay, so be very careful out there. Now, we can see the build-up to Doge Day has already reflected positively on Dogecoin's market performance, with a notable 20% increase in its value over the past week. So very cool. I want to show you guys the Dogecoin chart right now real quick. So we can see in the past day, down 7%. In the past week, up 13%. In the past month, 43%. So guys, that 20 cents, I believe at all-time high, it hit what, like 60 something, like 57 cents. Now, the main issue with Dogecoin is the fact that there's an infinite supply, right? The supply never really ends, but there is potential for Dogecoin to still rise up and go crazy, especially assuming that the market cap of this is $29 billion. I think this could still go insanely higher. Now, obviously, we need Bitcoin to pump, right? And as I already mentioned, the Bitcoin halving is in 18 days. So 18 days, it's looking like it will happen on April 18th. Obviously, quick maths. More or less April 18th, 19th. Obviously, like this isn't like exactly accurate. This can change at any time. Now, for those who don't know what Dogecoin is, guys, it's literally just a meme coin, right? A piece of shit coin. Elon Musk really pumped this thing up over the past years, and you know, a lot of people are speculating if Tesla owns Dogecoin, if Elon Musk, he definitely says he does own Dogecoin. So it is just the people's cryptocurrency, okay? Now, the next one I want to show you guys as well is baby Dogecoin, okay? Now, derivatives of Dogecoin are going to go crazy, so, right? The main ones being baby Doge, Doge 20, and just anything Doge related that's already been released is probably going to go crazy. Now, there also, I would expect there to be a Doge. I expect there to be a Doge Day coin that probably will launch anytime soon as well. I just feel like that's probably gonna happen. Now, with baby Dogecoin, this is a sleeper at a $315 million market cap. Now, guys, the thing with this project is we can see this is the world's best meme community. Their community is huge. They have a bunch of things going on with AI, the swap, integrations, NFTs, chess, farming as a service. There's a lot that they have going on. Okay, now in my opinion, this is one of those projects that is a more safer play in the sense that you're more likely going to get more gains on this than Dogecoin, just for the sake of there's a lot more potential in this one, right? That's what I want to show you guys is Dog with Hat. Now, Dog with Hat, we could see at a $4.3 billion market cap. Now, this is one of the bigger cryptos as well. This, I believe, launched on Solana, and we can see it down 8% on the daily. In the past week, up 60%. In the past month, up almost 300%. Now, guys, Dog with Hat is one of those Solana meme coins. It's following the narrative of obviously the Dogecoin, as well as the actual Solana coin as well. Now, in my opinion, I do think that we can see this maybe do a 2x, but again, from here, it's going to be hard to make gains over a longer period of time. Now, I would still look at this because if this does dip, let's just say down 20%, something like that, it might be a nice buying opportunity. So this might not be a great play to buy before Doge Day, but it is something to look at, definitely track. It's on my watch list, and it is going to be something that I would look into buying. Like I said, if we see that that 20 to like 30% dip over a period of time. Now, I also want to show you guys their Twitter as well. Guys, they're very popular. We can see they have a lot of stuff going on. BitGet's tweeting them with going to $10. If that happens, that would be pretty cool. And yeah, overall, it's looking like a pretty solid project. Now, I want to show you guys Floki. So Floki is another one of those projects that has insane utility. If you take a look at its new roadmap as well, we can see they have a bunch of things coming up. So they actually have the Floki X Venus core markets. They have Floki debit cards, University of Floki, Floki trading bot, domain names, Floki powered bank accounts, University of Floki V2, Floki-Fi Locker V3, staking as a service, the Valhalla mainnet, which is super cool, and the Valhalla Chinese mainnet launch. Now, guys, they have a lot of things going on with their community. They also have a lot of utility, and they burn a lot of tokens, guys. It's actually insane. We can see yesterday as well, 12 million plus active users can now use Floki to pay merchants through Binance Pay. Very, very dope. Now, I strongly recommend you guys go through and read about this project as well, just because this is one of those projects that, in my opinion, is severely underrated, especially considering that this actually has a shit ton of utility at a market cap of only $2.2 billion. I do think that there's a lot of room for this to run. Now, we can see in the past 7 days and in the past day, the thing's more or less down 7%. In the past month, though, up 200%. So that is something to look out for. In the past year, up 600%. Now, in my opinion, guys, I do think that this could go absolutely ballistic. I think this is something that could hit a $10 billion market cap. Now, like I said, guys, the Shiba Inus, the Floki Inus, the whole Inus is a whole subsector as well. Although it is a Dogecoin, I do think that they will still pump, right? It is still based off of a dog, but it is the Inu sector, right? Like there's Hokkaido Inu, Floki Inu, Shiba Inu, Kishu Inu. There's just so many of these Inu coins. I do still think that they will pump as well. Now, the last project I want to show you guys is Dogecoin 20. Now, I'm going to leave a link to Dogecoin 20 down below because it is quite interesting. Now, guys, this is launching on Doge Day, okay? So that's why I'm insanely bullish. So we have 19 days, give or take, 18 and a half days for this to actually launch, and they've raised over $10 million. Now, guys, in my opinion, this is one of those projects that you almost kind of have to look at just because you can't ignore them, right? They've been everywhere. Their marketing has been insane, and they've been just going absolutely nuts. Now, one thing that they have, which I really like, is the passive income. So we can see our Doge just got more rewarding. So they're doing a lot of staking stuff, so you can more or less make passive income with your Dogecoin 20. They're also built on Ethereum, so you can literally just use your ETH tokens, and there's no more inflation, okay? So I talked about how Dogecoin has an infinite supply. This has a fixed supply. Now, they have a bunch of things that they're planning. More or less, their staking is the most important and the most exciting, in my opinion. And their tokenomics as well, you guys can go take a look. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below, and if you guys want to actually participate in this pre-sale and make some gains, you guys can do so. But guys, let me know in the comments down below what other dog coins are going to go crazy. Which ones did I miss? Leave a comment down below, leave a like, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy investing.